What is going on, guys? Today I bring you a product for people that enjoy long motorcycle rides and like to communicate through your phone calls, or group ride sharing and talking with your friends. This is the Sena 50S. It is the motherboard, technically, of the other version they have is kind of smaller, but I just wanted to show you guys how to set it up, a review, and how to install it on your helmet. Right, let's go ahead and break into this thing. This is your packaging. I've already opened it up. I've done set it up. I'm just trying to give you an experience of what it will feel like. I got mine used. That's your thanks for giving it a second life sticker from Amazon. Pretty clean packaging. It's a communication system with a mesh intercom. I'll show you everything how that works. It's got a voice command. I have used it on my phone. You can end calls with Siri. You can tell Siri to do anything, change your music, tell her search stuff. She could do it all through your helmet, which is really neat. Just go ahead and slide that off. This is just the box part. Set out above, slides open. And that is your first glance of what you're going to see. That is your main piece right there. Let's just go ahead and put this to the side and look at everything else in a minute. This is your piece. Right here is your volume button. Turn down, turn up. And when you're group share riding, this piece right here, you just pop that up. It gives a better signal to talk to your friends. This is your charger. It does come with a Wi-Fi adapter for updates or anything. You can update this. And this is your phone to talk button. And to turn it on, you just click that and click the volume button once. And it should search for a signal. I don't know. It might connect to my phone. To turn it off, you just do the same. Pretty neat. This part, you can see right here, it slides on to your piece on the helmet, and I'll show you that in a minute. I already have mine on. I'll show you how to install everything. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside the rest of the box. They package this very neatly. Little box. I'm sure it has all your extra components right there. It has your stereo padding for it, I guess, to push it out, wind mics, different kind of mics that might be more comfortable for you, and everything else in there, different things to put on your helmet. Now, for me, this is what originally came on my Sena. You do gotta tighten it with the other piece. I'll show you in a minute, sorry. But my helmet was too big and I had to switch to the piece where you stick it on the side instead of using this. I'll show you that. This is my helmet that I have set up for it. Pretty neat. To go ahead and show you, I'll just go ahead and take this chin bar off. Right here, you have your thing I was telling you, where that metal piece, you have to essentially clamp it on between, but my helmet was too big, so they come with, thankfully they came with this piece you can stick on the side. It's 3M, and you just stick it on there. Now this piece right here is where your Sena slides onto for your mic that runs in the helmet. So just slide it on. You just take it, line it up, push down, pull that button, and it's on there. And just take it off. You push the button right here and take it off. All right, I just took my padding out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to set this up. So you go ahead and stick your piece on there, or tighten it, whatever you do you prefer. And it will come with your speakers. It comes with 3M. Most helmets, mine had a little cutout for it. I guess they were prepared for it. But You just go ahead and put your 3M in there, and there's Velcro. These come off both sides. There's the other one. And you can just tuck your remaining of your wires underneath. Essentially, it's really not that hard to install. It's very simple, and I'm very pleased with it. The sound system in this it's not, I wouldn't say it's the best, but it does well for what it's meant to do. I can enjoy my music while I ride and not be overpowered by my motorcycle, but I can still hear my surroundings, so it's a mix of both worlds, I guess you could say. The mic, I've used it while I was talking to people without a windscreen on it, and I guess it depends where I have it in my chin bar, but I've talked to people and they say they can't tell I'm on a bike, and my bike's really not that quiet. But if I were to review 0 out of 10, I give it about an 8. If anything I could really change about it, probably be a little bit more options with it. I really didn't care for this because it kind of didn't line up with my helmet, so when I put my Sena in there, it's a little unbalanced. But other than that, I really do enjoy it. If I could talk you all to purchase one, I would recommend it. Talking with people, riding your bike is so much easier. I don't like to go long places without having it on, so I like to talk to family or friends or whoever to know where I'm at or to meet up somewhere. But if you would want one, I put a link in the description. It's Sena. You're going to range probably about $270 for it, but in all honesty, it's worth it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the content, there will be more. I'm going to be posting motorcycle stuff relatively more often. So enjoy. Click that like and subscribe button.